Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about one of the biggest mindset shifts you must make if you ever want to scale past the hustle trap. Because at a certain point, hustle stops helping and starts hurting. Let me break it down for you. Hustle might get you your first 1K, 5K, even 10K month. That grind energy? It's useful in the beginning when you're figuring things out, getting visible, building momentum. But hustle has a limit, and if you try to hustle your way to 20K, 30K, or 50K months, you'll end up capping your growth, drowning in admin, and sabotaging the very freedom you started this business to create. Scaling is not about doing more. It's about building machines that do more for you. And those machines? They're called systems. What are systems, really? A system is anything that removes decision-making from your daily brain space and replaces it with automation, structure, or predictability. It's a repeatable process that produces a consistent result. It could be tech, it could be a template, it could be a calendar. But the core principle is this. You build it once, then it runs over and over again without burning you out. Without systems, your business is fragile. Every task depends on your energy. Every sale depends on your availability. Every launch drains your soul. And that's not a scalable business. That's a high-paying job with no PTO. Let me give you some examples of systems you must have in place before trying to scale. 1. Client onboarding system. If someone buys from you today, what happens next? Are you manually sending them a welcome email, attaching a file, DMing the Zoom link, answering 10 questions? That's hustle. A real business has a plug-and-play onboarding flow. Autoresponder email with everything they need, calendar link with availability set in advance, pre-written welcome message, access to a client portal or Notion dashboard. When onboarding is a system, new clients feel taken care of immediately, and you stay in CEO energy, not secretary mode. 2. Content creation system. Do you sit down every morning wondering what to post? That's hustle. A systemized content machine means a monthly content calendar, batching content weekly, 1 hour, once 7 days done, templates for captions, carousels, and reels, repurposing strategy that multiplies one idea into 5 pieces. That's how you stay consistent without waking up burned out from decision fatigue. Your brain should be focused on high-level creativity, not on what day to post a tip. 3. Sales and launch system. Are you winging it every time you launch something? Writing emails the night before? Forgetting links? Feeling panicked? That's not growth. That's survival. A launch system includes a mapped-out timeline, pre-launch, open cart, close. Pre-written emails that can be recycled and updated. A clear sales page structure or template. Payment link systems and thank you pages already designed. Scaling requires you to remove chaos from your revenue plan. If every launch feels like starting from scratch, you're not scaling, you're scrambling. 4. Client delivery system. Do you deliver your program or product differently every time? Do clients get lost, confused, or stuck waiting for the next step? That creates friction, and friction kills referrals. A client delivery system is a set schedule for content drops, Q&As, or coaching calls, a clear curriculum outline or milestone roadmap, FAQ documents or video walkthroughs built into the offer, preloaded feedback forms or testimonial asks. The smoother your delivery, the more likely people are to complete the program, get results, and promote you for free. That's how you scale impact and reputation at the same time. Why systems hustle? Because hustle has a ceiling. It requires more of you to make more money. Systems? They require you once, then serve you forever. When you have systems in place, you can take a week off and no clients are still supported. You can run a 20K launch without burning out. You can hire someone and plug them into an existing workflow. You can look like $1 million brand, even if it's just you behind the scenes. Scaling without systems is like trying to build a house with no blueprint. You might finish it, but it's going to be wobbly, fragile, and exhausting to live in. Final tip: hustle will get you attention. Systems will get you freedom. If you want consistent income, time flexibility, and the ability to grow without crumbling. Build processes, not pressure. Systems don't kill creativity, they protect it. Because when the back end runs like clockwork, your mind is free to create, lead, and scale like a queen.